What is up, slackers? Lots of changes have been going on around here. Not only is the beard growing, but my son is too. He's going on 2 years old and he looks like a 4 to 5 year old. It's kind of crazy. We also welcomed my lovely little daughter, Cora. She's around 7 weeks old. She's so cute. She's just so adorable. With all the changes going on around here, it made it a little bit difficult to shoot videos in this small bedroom. So I kinda did a thing. So why don't we go check that out, huh? $797 horsepower of goodness. I got a Hellcat red eye wide body. It's a mouthful, but we'll save that for another video. Yeah, so there's gonna be a lot of changes on the channel. Not only we're gonna have regular uploads, but we're also gonna be changing up a bunch of stuff we're gonna be doing. So I like to tinker with all sorts of hardware. So that's why we call it bearded hardware, because beards are cool, and so is hardware. Some of the projects that we got in the works, we're bringing the Viper back. I've actually already started on it. We're gonna be doing lots of fun stuff, but the main part is to try to get as much content as possible. One of the biggest changes is I am now a full-time creator. And what that gives us is regular uploads. So this is going to be the first of many to start it off. I am so stoked to show you guys this. Welcome to the Slack Factory! We have the main stream room. Now this is the second stream room slash product room. I don't know, it's more of a TBD. But we got plenty of space. That means plenty of content coming. This is the 3D printing room, aka cold storage too, because it's a lot colder in here than it is in the warehouse. Let's go check out the warehouse. This is the warehouse! We have so many rooms for activities, it's crazy. Now we don't have to worry about the sun, rain, everything. So it just gets a little hot in here, but we can store all the toys. We have lots of content coming up. You can see we're fully loaded now. Now I just gotta do videos. So I hope you like this one and check me out next time at the Slack Factory.